This video demonstrates how to change the carbon filter on the PureWash E930 bidet seat. While the process is similar for all KOHLER bidet seats, please refer to your product's specific homeowner's guide for the most accurate replacement instructions. To begin, remove the bidet seat from the mounting bracket. Next, carefully remove the deodorizer housing from the seat. Remove the deodorizer block from the housing. Insert the new deodorizer block into the housing. Reinstall the housing into the seat. You'll want to replace the deodorizer's carbon filter every 2 years or whenever you notice the deodorizing performance decreases.